Hello, boys and girls. We are getting ready to do our math practice pages. Let's look here at number 1 for a minute. Here is our math story. Daniel sees 2 fish in one bowl and 2 fish in another bowl. How many fish does he see in all? So first, Daniel sees 2 fish in one bowl. So we need to draw 2 fish in one of the bowls. And we use an oval and a triangle for that. We'll talk about the shapes a little later, but some of you are pretty good at your shapes now. Then we have, let me get those moved back down. Somehow they moved around. Now we have 2 fish in another bowl, so we need to draw them in the other bowl too. Whoops, that one went a bit sideways on me, but at least he stayed in his bowl pretty well. So how many fish are in the first bowl? There are 2 fish in the first bowl. We are tracing the number 2. How many fish are in the second bowl? There are 2 fish there. It's asking us how many does he see in all. In all means we put the groups together. So we're going to add, which the plus sign is already there. We have our equal sign. 2 plus 2 equals how many in all? It equals 4 in all. Okay, make sure you have that written because I'm going to erase it. Here's the next page. Okay, here's the next page. I made it a little bit bigger so we could see a bit. So I'm going to scroll down and we are going to look at the story at the bottom. Number 2 says, Julie sees 5 stones in one pail and 3 stones in another pail. How many stones does she see in all? So to begin with, we need to draw our 2 pails, our 2 buckets. That's the first part because we need to draw out the picture first. Now, she sees, let's go down here. She sees 5 stones in one pail and 3 in another pail. So in the first pail, we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stones. And what are we going to write here? We're going to write the number 5. In the second pail, she sees 3 stones. So what number are we going to write here? We're going to write the number 3. And then it asks, how many does she see in all? In all means we put them together into one big group and we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She saw 8 pails in all. Let's read our math equation. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Can you read that with me? 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good job. Okay, let's look at the next problem. A hen lays 2 eggs one day. She lays 3 eggs the next day. How many eggs does she lay in all? How many did she lay the first day? A hen lays 2 eggs the first day, so we need to draw our 2 eggs. And she lays 3 eggs the second day, so in this group, we are drawing the 3 that she laid the second day. How many does she lay in all? So we have our picture. Now we need to write our equation. How many did she lay the first day? She she laid 2. Plus, because it says how many in all, that means we're adding it. 2 plus, how many did she lay the second day? She laid 3. 2 plus 3 equal, now put it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equal 5. Can you read that equation with me? Nice and loud. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good job. Okay, I'm going to erase the top of this. That way we can scroll down and we can read the bottom parts for the bottom problems. Now, let's look here at number 4, right here. This is the independent practice section, so I'm going to have read number 4 and 5 to you, and I'm going to see if you can try to do just these 2 problems yourself. Here's number 4. Remember, number 4 goes right over here, so this section is where you're going to do this problem. Maria threw a baseball 5 times in one inning and 2 times in the next inning. How many times did she throw the baseball in all? Maria threw a baseball 5 times in one inning and 2 times in the next inning. How many times did she throw the baseball in all? Go ahead and pause the video while you finish that one, and then I'm going to read number 5 to you now. Zach scored 2 goals during a soccer game, and then he scored 4 more goals during another soccer game. How many goals did he score in all? Zach scored 2 goals during a soccer game, and then he scored 4 more goals during another soccer game. How many goals did he score in all? See if you can figure out that problem. Okay, we're going to go to the next page. There are 2 rabbits in a hole. The same number of rabbits come in to join them. How many rabbits are there in all? What can you answer? How many rabbits join the group? There are 2 rabbits in the hole. The same number of rabbits come in to join them. How many rabbits are there in all? So it would be 2 plus 2 is 4. Because there were 2 rabbits in the hole, the same number came and joined them, so 2 more had to come join them. So there's 4 in all. Now, Emily says the answer is 3 rabbits because she did 2 plus 1 is 3. Do you think she's right or wrong? How do you know? Well, when it said the same number came in, she only put 1 for her second number, didn't she? If there were 2 in the hole and the same number came in, there needed to be another bunny rabbit up here joining her. So she didn't add the right number of bunnies at the end. So over here, we need to draw pictures to show the rabbits. 2 rabbits in one hole. The same number coming to join them. So if the same number comes in, how many are there? 2 more. So write our equation. 2 rabbits in the hole. That's this group. 2 more coming to join them. That's this group. How many in all? They're all 4 because in all means we put the 2 groups together. Thank you for doing math with me today, boys and girls. Have a great day.